the Disney Quick Service Dining Plan and the Disney Dining Plan. Quick Service gives you 2 quick service meals per night. Think mobile order meals or walk-ups, perfect for park days. The regular dining plan gives you 1 table service meal and 1 quick service meal per night, perfect for character dining or sit-down restaurants. You can only add a dining plan when you book a Disney Resort hotel package that includes park tickets. Everyone on the same reservation has to have it, it's all or nothing, so you can't pick and choose just one person. And yes, kiddos ages 3 to 9 get a discounted kids plan. You'll use your credits through your My Disney Experience app. Every snack, quick service, or table service credit is tracked there. You can use them almost anywhere on property where the dining plan logo appears, from resort food courts to snack carts to signature dining. Your credits load in when you check in and they're available until midnight on your checkout day. Use them whenever you want during your stay, all in one day or spread out. But once you check out, poof, sparkles, they expire. So that's your Disney dining plan in a nutshell. Whether you're a character breakfast lover or a Dole Whip on the go type, it's a fun way to make your trip feel all-inclusive.